If you have a small business and you're ready to start the process of marketing on Facebook, you're probably thinking the first thing you need to do is set up your Facebook business page. But no, wait, a business page may not be the type of profile your business needs. In fact, there are actually 3 options available for business owners to choose from on Facebook now. You don't want to trip over things like this that can set you off on the wrong foot from the start. If I was creating my business's presence on Facebook for the first time today, there are 3 things in particular that I would do first. I'm going to cover what those 3 things are, but first, in case you don't know, I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. If you would like to receive a free custom marketing proposal and quote to see exactly how we could help your business scale and for how much, fill out our contact form. I've linked it below. All right, so the first thing I would do is determine what kind of business profile I need to have. Currently, there are 3 different types: the traditional Facebook page, which is what we have, the converted personal profile to professional mode, or you can have an additional professional mode profile. Say that 3 times fast. Now, if you saw this video, then you already knew about the additional profiles update. If you didn't, you're missing out and you should subscribe. And I'll fill you in real quick. Basically, you can have up to 4 additional profiles on Facebook now. Your existing personal profile, the one you have now, is what they're calling your main profile. And then you can create 4 more profiles. You can convert any of those profiles into professional mode profiles. And professional mode just means you have access to professional tools and insights like you would on a traditional business page that can help you build your brand's presence from your Facebook profile. If you're eligible, you can also access monetization products to generate income from your content with a professional mode profile. So let's break down what the real pros and cons are of each profile type so that you can determine which one makes more sense for you. If you have a lot of friends on Facebook with your existing profile and the nature of your business is one where your community might make up a large portion of your target audience, then it might make more sense for you to leverage the existing connections you have with your personal profile page instead of trying to start from scratch with a new business page. The reason being is a lot of people don't make the transition from engaging with your personal posts to engaging with your business page posts. So for example, if you sell your own skincare line and you're kind of the face of your brand, or if you are a local florist and you work out of your home to create beautiful bouquets for different occasions, these are scenarios where I might explore utilizing a professional mode profile instead of a traditional business page. A lot of times business owners will create a new business page and then invite all of their Facebook friends to like the page. But like I said, a lot of people don't make the jump. They don't like the page. Now, it's important to note that you can either convert your main profile into a professional mode profile, or you can create an additional profile and convert that into a professional mode profile. If you want to leverage the friends your existing profile has, you'll want to convert that one into your brand professional profile. However, if you'd rather keep your personal profile separate, you can create an additional profile and let that be your branded professional profile. And then lastly, we still have the traditional Facebook business page. People come to your Facebook business page to get basic questions answered like hours of operation, pricing, the link to your website, sales or upcoming events, and so on. So I would suggest this route if you are anything more than a one-man show and or have a more corporate or established feel. I have an updated tutorial on how to create business pages here and an ultimate guide with tips on how to optimize your business page here. So I will link both of those below. All right, the second thing I would do is start posting with a social media strategy in play. And I know, easier said than done, but hang with me here. Posting is free, easy, and something you can start doing immediately to market your business. But it's only worth doing if it's done well. Don't post just to post. I'm going to say that again for the people in the back. Do not post just to post. If you do nothing else today, watch this video next, because a lot of y'all need to hear what I talk about in that video. Nobody wants to see another fun fact post on Facebook, okay? What gets me is business owners who post like crazy but with no plan, get 0 results from it, and then are frustrated. Too many people start posting on Facebook with no strategy. They just post what they feel like will work instead of making informed decisions based on data, based on what your target audience wants to see. So I will link that video video below. By the time you finish watching it, you will have a social media strategy in your hands that you can use to start posting effective content. And that's the key word there, is effective, because effective implies what? That there's a goal or something that we're striving to achieve, and that not all content is effective. It's important to remember that the goal with social media is to create brand awareness and engagement that ultimately converts into sales. If you're not getting sales from social media or not getting engagement at all to begin with, your posting strategy is not working. So once you've got some posts going out with a strategy, the third thing I would do is run top of funnel ads with plans to retarget later on. I kind of alluded to this a moment ago, but you should think of your Facebook page or profile in terms of a marketing funnel. How does your Facebook account contribute to the overall success of your business? Or more specifically, is your Facebook account capturing and driving customers for you? In addition to your posts having a strategy and purpose behind them, your Facebook page should also have a clear purpose behind it. So in order to have a clear visual of your Facebook's purpose, it helps to think of your Facebook in terms of a funnel. You've got top of funnel being the people who are just learning of your brand, middle of the funnel including people who are starting to engage and consider your brand, and bottom of the funnel is where the conversions happen. These are your customers. Now, I have a whole video breaking down what a Facebook ad funnel looks like in action and which ads to run to which segment of your audience to drive maximum results, so I will link that below. But for this video, I can say this. For top and middle of funnel, you want to run ads that optimize for engagement and views, especially if you're posting reels. Then at the bottom of the funnel, you can retarget all of the Facebook engagement and views you've received to drive that warm audience to your website. People need to engage with your brand several times before they feel comfortable and confident enough to buy from you. So if you just create your Facebook page, slap a couple posts up there, maybe boost one of them and think that that's going to do the trick to start driving sales, you need to think again. Use your top of funnel tools to garner targeted brand awareness and engagement, and then retarget that audience with ads that drive them to the website to make a conversion. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.